Hey you, it's Amsal. So today I'm going to give you a gentle reminder for anyone in the rebuilding era. You see, rebuilding is not weakness. It's the most courageous thing a person can do. To look at what isn't working and choose differently anyway. You're not starting over. You're starting smarter. I hope you know that. That's all for today. Sorry, that's all for today. Save this for when rebuilding feels like failing. Bye.